Hello and welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we are going to talk about trick or treat. Ooh, trick or treat. Yes, trick or treat is a big event in the United States. What? Yes, it's a night where people go out. It depends on where you live. Some people do it on Halloween, some people do it on the weekend before Halloween. But kids get dressed up and go trick or treating. It's also known as Beggars Night. And they go door to door, ringing doorbells, dressed in costumes, and say, trick or treat. And when they ask you for that, they're asking for candy. So today we're going to learn how to pronounce many of the most popular candies that you'll find in a trick or treat bag. Come on. Here's a trick or treat bag. Look it up top. There are lollipops and pieces of chocolate. I love to get chocolate. What about you? Trick or treat bags can be plastic bags, they can be handmade bags, they can be plain orange bags, they can be any kind of bag you open up, or even a pumpkin, plastic pumpkin, and say, trick or treat. Our first candy is candy corn. Candy corn, that doesn't look like corn. I know, but it's called candy corn. And fun fact, if you stack them all in a circle, like one layer, then two, and with all the yellow parts, the base sticking out, it will look like a cob of corn. So this, my friend, is candy corn. Many people love it. That's me. And many people cannot tolerate it. Candy corn. It's synonymous with Halloween. Next, we have Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces? Yeah. And sometimes people say them really quick and say Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces. But these are Reese's Pieces. Pieces. Reese's Pieces. E.T. made them famous in the movie E.T., where he followed them wherever to and ate them along the way. Reese's Pieces. Do you like Reese's Pieces? Candy coated, peanut butter inside. So delicious. Before there were Reese's Pieces or Pieces, there was the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. It's all E's, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. But a lot of people just say Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Reese's. We say Reese's. Kind of like recess when you're at school, but it's Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. A Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is the number one Halloween candy. Why? I do know, because they're delicious. Maybe you're not into chocolate and peanut butter. Maybe you want a caramel apple. Or is it caramel apple? Either one works. Caramel or caramel. It depends on where you live or how you were raised. I say caramel. Some people say caramel. But a caramel apple is always a great choice at trick or treat or at Halloween. Or let's be honest, anytime. Let's practice saying it. Caramel apple or caramel apple. And you know what? Sometimes people just call them a candy apple. What? I kid you not. Caramel, caramel, or candy apple. Any way you call them, they are delicious. Oh my goodness, we have 3 words on this piece of candy. Hershey's, Hershey's, that's how you pronounce that. That's the name brand. Hershey's milk chocolate. Hershey's milk chocolate. They're so delicious. I know, you can tell I love candy, but this is Hershey's milk chocolate. Got it? Whoa, maybe you want something more with your chocolate. Maybe you don't like just a plain chocolate bar. Maybe you want peanut butter and caramel nougat or caramel nougat or just nougat. This is a Snickers bar. Say it with me. Snickers bar. SN makes the sn, the short I, and then CK, k, Snickers. A Snickers bar satisfies a lot of people's hunger. Well, you can get chocolate in many forms, but this is chocolate flavor, and we pronounce this Tootsie Roll. Tootsie Roll. I know it looks like Tootsie, but it's Tootsie Roll. Do you like Tootsie Rolls? You have the big Tootsie Roll, the long one, or the midget Tootsie Rolls, the little mini ones. Tootsie Roll. Get them in big size, get them in small size. Tootsie Roll. They're hard on your teeth, but oh so tasty in your tummy. How about some Airheads? Airheads. Airheads. It's a compound word. Airheads. It's super sweet, full of sugar, and quite popular at trick or treat. Airheads. Do you like them? Our next candy is pretty sweet as well. It's hard. You have to suck on them. Kids love them. Parents love them too sometimes. Dentists love them because they give them so much work. A Jolly Rancher. 2 words. A Jolly Rancher. Hey, do you have a Jolly Rancher? We say it quickly. Can I get a Jolly Rancher? Now put it quicker. Jolly Rancher. Jolly Rancher. Or just say Jolly Rancher. We use the whole name for that little candy. Why? I don't know, because that's its name, and everyone knows a Jolly Rancher. Speaking of candy your dentists love and your parents don't, it's Laffy Taffy. Laffy Taffy? Yes, Laffy Taffy. It's just fun to say. Say it with me, won't you? Laffy Taffy. It's comes in many different flavors. Banana is very popular, strawberry, and watermelon. Laffy Taffy. Chewy and fun. Laffy Taffy. Do you like Laffy Taffy? Another colorful candy for the Halloween, and that is Skittles. Say it with me. Skittles. Okay, got it? Skittles. They come in many different flavors, but this is the original Skittles. Can you say it? Great job. High five. Okay, here's a throwback candy. A throwback candy? Where are we throwing it back to? No, when I was a kid. That was a long time ago. Yes, these are called sugar babies. Sugar babies? Yeah, they're just little nuggets of caramel candy. What? Yeah, they're soft, chewy caramels. They're called sugar babies. Say it with me. Sugar babies. Sugar is pronounced sugar babies. Got it? Sugar babies. Have you ever tried one? You should look for them. I don't remember seeing them on the shelf lately. Well, I did when I took this picture, but I haven't seen them in a long time in a trick or treat bag. But I saw them and I thought they were pretty cool. Sugar babies. Did you know that sugar babies had a daddy? Oh, yes, they do. Sugar baby had a sugar daddy. Sugar daddy? Yeah, it's a milk caramel pop or a milk caramel pop. Either one. These are very hard. They're kind of like taffy, but we pronounce it sugar daddy. A milk caramel pop. Oh, okay. Let's read the whole label. Delicious sugar daddy milk caramel pop or milk caramel pop. How can we have a sugar daddy and a sugar baby and not a sugar mama? I don't know, but it's what we'd have, just a sugar daddy and a sugar baby. Have you ever tried the sugar daddy or the sugar baby? Here's one that's more in favor these days, the Twix bar. The Twix bar. The TW makes the tw, and the I makes it as short, I, and x. Put it all together, Twix. It's a cookie. It has caramel, or caramel, and it has milk chocolate. Twix. Got it? They're delicious and fun to pronounce. Twix. And last but definitely not least, we have the Milky Way. The Milky Way? Yeah, the Milky Way. It's a constellation in the sky, sure, but it's also a delicious candy bar with fluffy nougat, I guess, that's in there. Fluffy stuff, fluffy chocolate with caramel on top or caramel on top, surrounded by light milk chocolate. It is the Milky Way. Do you like a Milky Way? This one has to be probably the second most popular candy for Halloween, I think. So there you have it, my friends. We talked about all the different candies. Well, not all of them, but enough to fill your trick or treat bag. So happy Halloween. Practice pronouncing Milky Way, Sugar Baby, Sugar Daddy, Twix, Skittles, Airheads. Let's see, can I remember them all? Snickers, Jolly Ranchers, and oh so much more. Go on, go have some fun. If you don't go trick or treating, just go practice pronouncing the candy and sharing it with friends. Have a happy Halloween, friends. Why does American English have oh so many candies that are oh so fun to eat and pronounce? I don't know, but now you know how to pronounce a whole lot of them. Peace, friends, and happy Halloween.